Good afternoon, everybody. This is Pankaj Joshi here, and today is 10th of October 2021. We are going on zone number 4. Friends, we have come on to the Malik Lake, and here we are seeing the sambar, big one, male. You can see the beautiful antlers on it. And we are seeing some alarm calls from sambar deer from other side. Guys, hold tight, we will run towards the calls. I think these sambars were calling. They are coming from other side. We have to move little more further. And here we can see one tiger is coming, or there are two tigers actually. This is the male tiger T120. It's a new tiger for this area, and here we can see the female is following the male. She is Riddhi, daughter of Arrowhead. Female is really doing some display in front of male because this is a mating pair, new mating pair. The male is not showing much of interest on it. This time the female is very close to us. She sat onto the road. New male, and that's why he is bit shy. continuously going ahead from the cars, away from the cars. Further up there is water, so we will not move. We'll go back from here. Tigers gone towards zone number 3, and all the cars also followed on that side. But we heard some warning sound from other side, so we have come here. Yes, tigers are coming. Both are the same tigers again. They gone towards zone 3 but return back here. The front tiger, the first tiger, is the male tiger. And now we can see the female also. She is following the male. Same way she is taking. I think she will make some other route now. थोड़ा दूर जा रहे हैं ये, गाड़ियों से दूर। सारी गाड़ियां वैसे 3 नंबर चली गई हैं, या अपने रूट पे 4 नंबर वाली रूट की गाड़ियां 4 नंबर आगे गई। केवल 2 ही गाड़ियां बची हैं। जैसे मैंने बोला था कि ये गाड़ियों से दूर जा रहे हैं और एकांत चाहिए। देखिए अब वहां जाकर के, इतनी दूर जाकर के ये मैटिंग कर रहे हैं। दे आर ऑन मैटिंग नाउ। The male is mounting onto the female. Too far, but we can see it. By the time of going out of the park, after Gular Kui, we saw the Siddhi, the sister of Riddhi. She was in the water and she got up.